Well, the fight against COVID and flu has taken on a new light, with a revolutionary air purifying system using LEDs being rolled out in SA. A gym franchise and now the Lyell McEwen Hospital are among the first to jump on board.
Heavy breathing in the gym has never been easier, with first-of-its-kind LED ceiling lighting promising to eliminate 99.95% of pathogens.
Yeah, I call them the COVID killers.
A load off the shoulders of fitness fanatics who have been virus shy.
It's because you're in a small space, you're all together, working out, sweating. So yeah, it does make you a little bit nervous with everything going on.
And a lot of people were fearful being close to other members that there is that risk of, the transmission of COVID. So having the lights has been a great tool to make our members feel safe.
As well as providing lighting, the Aether system from company Pierlite has a 3-step ventilation program that circulates air and scrubs out harmful viruses.
There's a fan in them, but it's very quiet. We run them all session. We actually run them all day. We've actually had clients comment that the room feels cleaner and fresher by having them in.
Just when they were going in and wondering what they were all about and then finding out it was a filtration system, it's fantastic. Just an extra level of safety.
Given the success of the lights here, there are now plans to install them in some hospitals, classrooms and even office spaces. 33 units have been installed at the Lyell McEwen Hospital in Adelaide's north, a shot in the arm as COVID cases rise.
Having the filter clean out any germs is a bonus for us.
Jodie Oddie for 10 News First.